Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Monday, March 19, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 13 points to 27.43 per contract. All in all, the futures were down even more around 4 o'clock in the morning, but they have come back off the lows. But nonetheless, they're still down 13 points here ahead of the opening bell. NASDAQ futures also down sharply today, down 79 points. So this is a big haircut across the board, and we'll see how this market plays out today. But we have lots of stocks in the news. That's where we're going to try to focus our energy and make some money. First stock we're going to look at today is going to be Facebook. Ticker symbol is FB. Looks like there's a 50 million user data breach. 50 million users getting their data breached. And again, the stock is falling pretty sharply. Stock closed at 185.09. It is now trading at 177.80. When I look at the charts here, there's going to be some support around 174. Then you have the 200 daily moving average around the 200 moving average around 172.43. There's probably decent support there. Then if this thing really falls, we go much lower. So again, Facebook is in play this morning. We'll see how this really shakes out. In sympathy to Facebook, you'll also see TWTR, which is Twitter. That is down a little bit, not too bad. Twitter closed at 35.58, now trading at 35.10. But Facebook really getting hit this morning, and we'll be looking at that one once the opening bell rings. Now, Apple is in the news today as well. Apple's coming out with news that they are going to start to manufacture or make their own iPhone screens. Right now, I believe OLED and Synoptics are the suppliers. So let's take a look at those stocks. OLED getting hit on the back of that news. That stock trading at around 114.45. This closed at 124. So this is a big haircut here. I don't have any levels that I love just yet, but around $100, if it got down there, I do like that level. So keep that on the radar today. Also, SYNA, we'll take a look at that one. That's Synoptics, and that's trading at 46.50, closed at 47.82. So that's down a little bit. This stock right here has a lot of support around 43.40, 43.50 area. So keep this on the radar. If it does fall a little bit further, we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at NWL, Newell. And what you're going to see here is Newell Brands, I believe, getting a little bit of a bid on the back that Carl Icahn received 4 board seats. So it looks like Carl Icahn's going to get 4 board seats, and market likes that. So the stock closed at 28.66. It's now trading at 29.60. Up a little bit there. There's a lot of resistance today around the $30.25 level if it gets there. So keep that on the radar today. We'll see how it plays out. But NWL, Newell, getting a little bit of a pop on the back of Icahn getting 4 board seats. And again, we'll see how it plays out. But like I said, still a lot of resistance around $30.25. Let's take a look at CSIQ. This Canadian solar stock getting a nice little pop today, trading at 16.35, closed at 15.49. So this is a nice little move. In sympathy, I think you can look at Jinko Solar, which is JKS, also upticking a little bit. This closed at 19.35, now trading at 20.50. So this is a good little pop. Let's take a look at UN, which is Unilever. Stock trading at 53.37, but I believe they did get a downgrade today. I think it was Goldman Sachs as well, but we'll check that out a little bit later. Also want to take a look at Tesla today. Tesla also receiving some ugly words from Goldman about production. Stock right now trading at 315 and closed at 321.35. So Tesla's trading down a little bit today as well. Now keep Tesla on the radar today. If it got down to around 296. 296 and a quarter. There should be a lot of intraday support if that happens. I don't know if the stock will trade down that sharply, but hey, you never know. Stranger things have happened. All right, let's take a look here at the gold market. Gold is flat today, trading at 13.12, just down 10 cents on the session. So if you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at 124.46, down a little bit from the 124.60 close on Friday. Crude oil also is flat. Well, make it positive now. Crude oil is up a penny. right now trading at $62.41 a barrel. Take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. You'll see that's trading at around $12.58. All in all, crude and oil and gold, are both flat on the session ahead of the opening bell, but keep them on the radar today. They could be in play with this movement in the market. Right now, currently, futures down 13.25 points. If you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had just a magnificent 2018. We're going to look to keep that going into the end of the month and ultimately into the end of the year. But it's been a great start. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial and trade right along with us. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.